How to link Google Assistant to YouTube TV. Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to link your Google Assistant to YouTube TV. Linking these services allows you to control YouTube TV with voice commands using a Google Assistant enabled device like a Google Home speaker or a phone with the Google Assistant app. Let's learn how to set it up. To link Google Assistant to YouTube TV, you'll need to use the Google Home app on your mobile device, which is the central hub for managing your Google Assistant and smart home devices. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are signed in to the same Google account that you use for your YouTube TV subscription and your Google Assistant devices. In the Google Home app, look for the option to add a device or service. This might be represented by a plus icon, plus, or a button that says Add. Tap on Add. From the menu that appears, select Set up Device or Works with Google. Then choose Have something already set up or Works with Google. You will see a list of compatible services. Search for YouTube TV in the list. Select YouTube TV. You will then be prompted to link your YouTube TV account to your Google Assistant. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. This will involve signing into your Google account that has the YouTube TV subscription if you aren't already prompted to choose from your linked accounts. Once the accounts are successfully linked, you should receive a confirmation message. Now that your Google Assistant is linked to YouTube TV, you can use voice commands to control playback. For example, you can say, "Hey Google, play CNN on YouTube TV," or "Hey Google, tune to ESPN on YouTube TV" on your Google Assistant enabled device. You can also control playback with commands like, "Hey Google, pause YouTube TV," or "Hey Google, resume YouTube TV." Make sure to specify the device you want to control if you have multiple TVs or casting devices by saying something like, "Hey Google, play CNN on YouTube TV on the living room TV." We hope this video helped you link Google Assistant to YouTube TV for voice control. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.